my channel. So I'm just recovering from the cold, so my voice sounds a little different. You're gonna hear the sniffles, but hopefully that's not too annoying to you. I'm just gonna be doing Nicki Minaj's dip inspired hair look. Not an expert when it comes to hair. If you're new to me, I'm not like a pro. I like to come on here and try different looks and at least attempt to do different things. If I fail, I fail. If I win, I win. It's all fun for me, and hopefully it's fun for you to watch me create different looks. Maybe I can help you. Maybe it's just something you like to watch. But I never want anyone to think when they come and click on a CHRISSYJAYE video that they're gonna learn something. Now, sometimes you may learn something, and sometimes I just like to freestyle and just do things creatively because it's my channel and I do what I want to do. I'm going to be showing you guys an update on my hair, so stay tuned for that, because as you can see, it's a lot under this wig cap, and I have a lot of things to share with you guys as far as my hair, because child, it is growing like motherfucker. To achieve this look, or at least attempt to try this look, I'm going to be using my wig from AFSISTER. I did a review video on that, and I will link that below, and that's just pretty much like my first impression of this wig company. This is a 613 wig with no root. You guys know I don't like roots. I'm not a fan of it. I just don't like root. This is the wig. And I guess I could do an update too. It's a bob. And I already went ahead and kind of styled it before this video as far as like getting it slicked back. I thinned out a lot of the front. This hair was very controversial, you know, obviously, the dip video hair. The dip video hair was great to me. I loved it. I thought it was beautiful. Arrogante did it. I follow him on Instagram. He follows me, and he's Nicki's hairstylist currently. He did that, the dip hairstyle, and I love it. Now the EMA look, and I'll put a picture right here. The EMA look, it wasn't my fave, only because it just, I mean, anybody looking at it will know that it was just not a good look. And I don't know if he did that look. I don't know if he did or if he didn't. I think he did, but I'm not going to sit here and bash his work because I'm not like that. Because I know I do things that I'm like, that looks like shit, and I'm just like, whatever. Like, you know, that's what I was talking about earlier. Like, it's like hit or miss. You just do what you do. If it comes out great, great. But yeah, I think that was one of his styles that just came out pretty not the best. It looked rushed. It looked like, hurry up and just put this on me, glue it down, I gotta go. Like, it didn't look like he took his time. I feel like the dip video was like crafted. Like, he took his time to lay down each baby hair, each everything. This is how the hair looks on my head. As you can see, it looks very thin because I thinned the hell out of it so I can get this slick back. Blonde hair makes me so happy. I just feel like a Barbie. Take my little brush. I'm just going to brush back so I can show you guys the fact that I did. I plucked the crap out of this frontal. And then I bought some clips from the Beauty Supply store. I tried to get the little ones because she had like little ones, but they didn't have it. They had like 2 packs. One had like multicolors on it, and that one was like $2.40 something. This was $1.90. This was $1. And the other ones was just like $2.40 something. I'm like, I'm not gonna really use these clips like that, so I'm just gonna buy a $1 one. This is only for my YouTube channel. Like, no. Get a spray bottle, a wet spray bottle, and I'm gonna wet the whole thing clearly because it was a wet look. I believe it was the same length as this wig. I did cut it a little bit. It was kind of short. Comes like right here. On my products, I have my Bold Hold I'm going to be using today. Got to be glue blasting free spray. I may use this Gorilla Gel. I'm trying to see what type of product I want to use as far as slicking it back, because once I wet it, then I want to put the gel on it so that it stays and then blow dry and stuff. So I may use the Gorilla Gel. Just use my ultra glued styling gel, which makes sense because this is definitely for like the spiky hair and it holds. So more than likely I'll probably just use this. First I'm going to use the Boldholdlacecream to hold this wig down. Oh, right there. Like, that's where I usually put my wigs, like right here. I don't go any lower than here. I would never put my wig here, here, here. Right here is good. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that everything is like lined up, and I'm going to go ahead and just lay this wig down. This glue is so amazing. Like, sometimes the hair gets stuck in the glue bag, so I'm gonna make sure it's like flat down. What I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna create some baby hairs because Nicki had baby hairs in the video, so I want to do the baby hairs first, and then I'll get into the wetting and the putting it back and all of that stuff. Using my Got2b gel because I use that for all my baby hairs, and my little skinny little brush from Kiss, which is like a dual brush, and it has like, be careful Hershey, and it has a brush side and a comb side. So I'm just gonna grab some baby hairs from, I guess, the top. So now I'm just going to lay down the back, and what I'm going to do first is I'm going to just wet the hair using my spray bottle. I'm just going to wet the hair, and I'm going to be using my brush and a few products to slick it back. Ooh, okay, and clearly it's coming all down my face. As you can see, it's probably still a little puffy right here, and it's a little bit wet, but the clips are not holding this together. It's supposed to just be down like that. That's the back. So that is all for this video, you guys. If you see the little wet spot on my backdrop, I kind of was like spraying all over the place. You've seen it. This is the best that I did. I had put it in a ponytail before because it was just like not sticking down, but this is how I'm actually gonna rock it. If I do go out somewhere, this is how I would rock it. I don't like it straight like back. I don't know, I just don't like it straight back. I kind of like the hair to come by my neck a little bit so it can kind of clearly look like it's like a look. So from the side, I do like it like this. These clips are super cheap and annoying, and I'm going to buy smaller clips tomorrow because I'm gonna wear this out. And I'm gonna do the smaller clips starting from like here and like really make it like a zigzag, like a look, because right now it just looks super doofy and it's just so big and huge. So I'm gonna get smaller clips. That's all for this video. Let me know what you guys think below. Give this video a thumbs up if I did a good job, and I will see you guys in my next one. But until then, keep slaying.